What if I told you that you could take a 500-page textbook, an hour-long YouTube video, and your messy, half-finished meeting notes and instantly turn the whole shebang into a podcast? But not just any podcast, an interactive podcast that you can literally interrupt to ask questions? No way, right? Well, welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving into a massive, frankly mind-blowing breakthrough in AI. We're looking at Google's NotebookLM, which is now powered by Gemini 2.0. It is quietly but absolutely changing the game on how we process information. Okay, let's set the stage here. Right now, every single one of us is facing a massive information overload crisis, right? Whether you're pulling your hair out, studying for finals, researching for a big project at your job, or just trying to keep your daily life organized, there is simply way too much data coming at us. But think about this for a second. What if AI only knew what you taught it? Seriously. Instead of endlessly searching the chaotic, messy web, what if it built a totally private LMO brain crafted entirely from your specific information? You see, general chatbots out there right now are incredibly powerful, but they have a fatal flaw. They hallucinate. Because they're scraping the entire vast internet, they kind of have a habit of making these random, super confident guesses that are just dead wrong. So, Google stepped in and built NotebookLM with a completely different architecture. It acts as your own private brain, grounded solely in the documents you actually upload. That means it drastically, and I mean drastically, reduces those wild hallucinations. And honestly, the best part? Every single answer it gives you includes exact citations. It shows you exactly where the information came from. So, how does this actually play out in the real world for you and me? Well, for starters, NotebookLM essentially becomes your 24/7 personal study tutor. And guys, I don't just mean spitting out basic, boring summaries. I'm talking about it automatically generating custom quizzes, flashcards, full-on exam prep materials, and these highly personalized learning guides. You literally just drag and drop your syllabus, your chicken scratch lecture notes, those massive textbook chapters, and boom, the AI instantly understands the entire curriculum. And you have an incredible amount of control over this thing. You can feed it super specific instructions. Like you could ask it to, explain quantum mechanics like you're a 12-year-old. Or you could ask it to pinpoint the most important concepts that are likely to pop up on your upcoming exam. But wait, here is the absolute game changer. Through that learning guides feature I mentioned, the AI doesn't just spoon feed you the answers. It actually flips the script. It starts asking you questions to test your understanding step by step. It's fundamentally shifting how exam prep is done because it's basically a private professor that never ever sleeps. Now, if that was all it did, it would already be a massive win. But we've got to talk about the viral feature that is literally breaking the internet right now. NotebookLM can take your incredibly dense research papers, those never-ending PDFs, and super dry business reports, and turn them into AI-generated podcasts. I'm serious. It takes your raw, honestly kind of boring text and magically converts it into a totally conversational, incredibly natural-sounding audio discussion between two AI hosts. Because let's be real here for a second. Most of us absolutely dread reading massive 100-page documents, but listening to a fun, engaging conversation while you're walking the dog, hitting the gym, or stuck in traffic, that is completely effortless learning. But the crucial point here is that Google took this and pushed it like 10 steps further into the future. Imagine this. You're listening to this AI podcaster breaking down some wildly complex business strategy, right? Well, you can actually interrupt the AI host's mid-conversation. You can literally speak up and say, wait, hold on, explain that concept again. And the AI will stop, pivot, and respond to you in real time. We are officially moving from passive listening into fully interactive AI media. It is just mind-blowing. So you might be wondering, how does it actually ingest all this stuff? Well, it all comes down to some incredibly robust multimodal capabilities. You aren't just stuck uploading plain text. You can actually paste a YouTube link directly into the platform, and the AI automatically reads and indexes the whole transcript. You can throw in PDFs, Google Docs, scrape entire websites, and even upload your own voice memos or audio recordings. The software then takes all of these completely different media types, cross-references them, and fuses them into one giant semantic knowledge system. Think about that. Your messy handwritten notes and an hour-long YouTube lecture are now literally talking to each other. And this completely raises the stakes for professionals. Like researchers and legal teams are using this platform right this second to analyze massive, sprawling collections of documents simultaneously. We are talking about scaling way up from just personal study hacks to a full-blown AI-powered research operating system. Because, when you're dealing with critical legal cases or dense scientific reviews, precision isn't just a nice-to-have thing. It's absolutely mandatory.
Just imagine uploading 20 different, highly complex contracts or corporate policy documents. You can then simply prompt the AI and say, hey, find the contradictions between these contracts. What would normally take a dedicated team of paralegals or researchers hours, or honestly even days of grueling manual labor, is now done in literally seconds. And because of that exact citation system we talked about earlier, it links directly back to the original paragraph for incredibly rapid, foolproof fact-checking. The inconsistencies just become immediately, blaringly visible.
Now, moving from the legal world over to the standard corporate office, we're seeing another massive shift. Look, let's be real for a second. Internal company data is usually a total disaster, isn't it? Important information is scattered across a million Slack messages, it's buried in random, untitled Google Docs, hidden inside weird PDFs, and just completely lost in those endless email chains that nobody actually reads. But businesses are now using NotebookLM to completely fix this internal data chaos. They're creating a centralized, instant AI assistant specifically designed for their employees.
By uploading all the company's standard operating procedures, all the training materials, the messy meeting transcripts, you totally eliminate the need to frantically search through hundreds of scattered files. A brand new employee on day one can just ask the AI, hey, where's the onboarding checklist? Or, what exactly was decided in last month's marketing meeting? And boom, they get the exact answer instantly, complete with a direct link to the original document. It is an enormous, game-changing enterprise productivity boost that is completely redefining how companies operate day to day. And guys, the platform goes way, way beyond just text chatting. This is the part where it actually starts doing your work for you. NotebookLM can automatically generate visual presentations, quick video overviews, and even incredible conceptual mind maps right out of your raw research. So whether you're a student throwing together a study presentation at the last minute, a startup founder building a pitch deck, or a creator drafting video outlines, the AI just structures the content for you visually. These interactive mind maps even show you the conceptual relationships between all your different ideas. It's literally turning boring, static text into this dynamic, living, visual knowledge web.
Then, there is this hidden power user feature that basically revolves around the number 10,000. NotebookLM allows for massive, and I mean massive, custom instructions, up to 10,000 characters. Now, why does that actually matter? Because it lets you build highly specialized, deeply grounded AI personas. You could upload all your competitor research and site analytics, and then use those 10,000 characters to instruct the AI to act as a senior SEO expert, or a legal advisor, or maybe a ruthless startup consultant. You are essentially building your own custom AI experts that are uniquely trained on your very own private data. So how do the absolute pros actually use this thing? Well, it usually comes down to a super simple 4-step power user workflow. Step 1, you upload literally everything, PDFs, YouTube links, those scribbled handwritten notes, dump it all in. Step 2, you use the chat interface and those learning guides to dig around and discover the real insights. Step 3, you save those important aha moments directly into notes right there within the system. And finally, step 4, you convert those saved notes into your final content, whether that's podcasts, blog posts, slide decks, or your final study material. Raw, messy research goes into the pipeline on one end, and finished, polished content comes out the other side. We've just seen how this tool completely transforms from what looks like a simple note-taking app into a genius AI tutor, a viral podcast generator, and an entire corporate knowledge base, all wrapped up into one incredibly powerful system. With Gemini 2.0 running under the hood, we are literally looking at the future of how humans interact with knowledge. But before we wrap up, I really want to hear from you. As AI officially transitions from just a simple search tool into your own personalized private brain, what is the most insane NotebookLM feature that you would actually use in your day-to-day life? Drop your answers down in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you in the next one.